Hello Tech Bytes, good morning. Today we are going to learn about Java. Java is basically a programming language as we discussed yesterday, and we have learned about Java, JVM, JRE, JDK. So today we will go deeper dive into how a Java, a programming language, is used into a real world applications and how many phases it will be and how it is deployed and what are the enhanced frameworks we are going to learn. So all these things we will learn today. So coming down, so there are five phases in the complete Java backend developer program. So first we will learn core fundamentals of Java. So coming here, we'll learn about core Java, OOPS concepts, collections, exception handling, and some gate basics and build tools like Maven, Gradle. So this is a phase one. We have to learn all these fundamental things. Once we are good at fundamentals, we'll move to phase two, that is advanced Java, where they are multi-threading, Spring frameworks and Spring Boot, Spring Batch, and JPA, JDBC, unit testing, REST API. So, of once we learn about these frameworks, we'll move to front end. Front end part, we'll learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and web APIs. All these things we'll learn. After this, we'll learn about uh, databases and DevOps. So first we'll learn about SQLs, basic SQL queries, and Postgres SQL like DB management, some MongoDB and Docker. It's a container, Docker and CI/CD pipeline and cloud basics and Jenkins will learn. Later, after this is a final phase. It's an integration. We learn about microservices, system design, security, best practices about how we have to develop and deploy the code and all this, how to document the things and how we work with the team collaboration. All these things we will learn in our channel from day to day content. So after this, so this is a overall Java development program. So here first we will begin with the core Java. So I have created for this Java fundamentals, I have created a 30-day schedule. So we are going to discuss each individual topics every day. So come, let's see the topic. So first day we'll learn about what is Java, why it is used, where it is used, and what is the importance of it. We will learn. Later, the second day we learn about features of Java. The features of Java, it's like a how it is performing and what are the specialities of Java. All these things we are going to learn in second day, and we'll learn about JDK, Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment, and Java Virtual Machine, JDK, JRE, JVM. All these things we will learn in the third day. So these are the basic concepts. Once it's done, we'll learn about how to write our first program, for first program in Java. After that, it's just a structure of a program. We'll learn deeper dive. What is a class? What is a method? What is a printer? Everything we are going to learn in a deeper. Once you uh, learn deeper classes, like more classes you have involved, then you will learn more deeper knowledge. So we will learn a basic first program first. Later we will learn about variables, how the data is stored in our Java, like primitive data types, non-primitive data types. So and how these data types are stored in the variables. So all these things we will learn. Later, we'll learn about operators like arithmetic operations, relational operations, logical operations, to compare, to add, to subtract, all these things done with the logic. So for that we require operators, and we will learn about the statements like conditional statements like if else, if condition, else if else if conditions, and switch cases. And later we learn about loops like if I have any repetitive task, we can go for a for loop, while loop, do while loop. We learn each different loops and understand its importance. Later we learn about the keywords like break and continue. So these two are important keywords where we are going to use break and where we are going to use continue. We'll learn in our classes. So later one day we will take for a practice for above all these things, and using a Java code and these operators, basic operators, and we have to write a basic programs to find the even or odd numbers or factorial numbers, and some other programs we can write. So all these things we are going to learn. Once we are good at the basic concepts, we are going to enter into a OOPS concept. OOPS is a object oriented programming language. So here we have everything in Java, everything is in class, object, model. So we'll learn about what is class, what is object, what is an inheritance, what is polymorphism, what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, and what are constructors, what is abstraction, what is arrays, strings, methods, and exception handlings, packages, collection frameworks. Collection framework is a one of the wide topic. We are going to learn it. It's kind of a data structure in Java, so we are going to learn in detail. File handling is like handling all the data in a file. We are converting file to object, object to file. We learn all these things, and we learn about where after learning all these core concepts in a 30 days, we are going to learn where we are going to implement this. So uh, using a frameworks, we are going to implement using a Spring framework and all. We are enhancing the Java programming, so we are going to learn all those things. Once we are good at this 30 days program, later we'll jump into a Git basics and Maven. Maven is a build tool. Git is a repository where we are going to store all our implementations in the Git repository. We'll learn step by step what we are going to do. So after this, after once we have completed all these things, we will going to complete in 30 days program. Once these are completed, we are going to enter into phase 2. We'll learn after completion of this program, we are going to learn about phase 2. So we'll discuss this all these things about later. So this is a today's agenda. So if you like this content, just like and subscribe. Thank you.